Hi guys, welcome to the High Sales Low Stress Club. Now, this new club is part of the Massive Not Passive membership, but we are doing things very, very differently. We are focusing on increasing your sales and lowering your stress. Now, what business doesn't want that? If you're in a situation where your sales are going up and your stress is going down, I'm going to put my hand up. I think that's a great place to be. Okay? However, I do know that we will have some thoughts. I do know some people will be thinking that I'd love to join this club, but I'm not quite ready for one of these reasons. And let's start with I don't have the money. Yeah, the timing isn't right for me financially. And I kind of get that. We all have a lot of commitments. But the benefit of this group and this club is to increase your sales and lower your stress. So we don't want to miss that. So I've put together for you, when you join this, okay, this bonus is going to be, number one, a made it back money toolkit. And what this means is, if you follow this toolkit, and I've designed this for you, you can just pick out a couple of the things in the toolkit. Yeah, you even get a choice. Do them, and you will generate or save enough money to pay for the membership really easily. And that's going to mean you're going to feel like the membership's free. That's how it's going to feel to you, because these steps that I'm giving you are so quick and so easy. No big marketing, no campaigns, okay? No big outlay, nothing. Okay? It's totally free. All the actions are easy and quick to do. All right? So if you're not joining because it's a money issue, you can put that aside. You'll get the toolkit, you'll generate more money than you need, and this membership and this club is going to feel totally free. Secondly, some people feel overwhelmed. Carl, when I'm in these kinds of places, there's too much information for me to take on. I'm expected to do this, and I've already got my own workload with my business. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed or overloaded, guys, and there's no reason you should be. So I've put together a 7-day step-by-step program that you can follow that will take away all your overwhelm. And the good thing with this club is that we have lots of things recorded as well that you can access when you want. So you haven't got to go at my speed, you haven't got to go at my pace, you go at your own pace. But I've given you a program where you, which you can follow, and it'll take it all away. It just breaks everything down to one nice simple step a day. Okay? Okay? Relax. Because like I said, the club's called High Sales, Low Stress. That's what we focus on all of the time. Now, lots of people think they don't have time. We all feel like that from time to time. Particularly business people, particularly entrepreneurs. But even as mums and dads, okay, and husbands and wives, we just don't feel as if we've got enough time in our lives to do everything. Now, we can't create more time, but we can definitely use it better. So I'm going to give everyone my time management course for free. All right, my time management course. Now, the good thing for you about this is this will enable you to it'll enable you to use your time better in your business, but it'll also enable you to use your time better in your personal life. So it's kind of like a double whammy, really. Your business will get more organized in terms of its time, and your personal life will also get more organized as well. So you're going to get a proper time management training course, one that I built for you. Okay, it's easy to follow, step by step. All right. You can access it as many times as you want, and it's split down into different sections as well, so you can work on whatever section you want as well. So, don't worry about the money. We've taken care of that. Don't worry that you're going to be overwhelmed, because you're not going to be. We've taken care of that. Don't think you haven't got time to do something as important as this, because you will as soon as you've done the time management. The time management is not just a game changer, it's a life changer. And the last one, I know there's lots of things going through your mind, is sometimes people don't feel as if they can commit to something like this. Now, maybe it's a time commitment, but we have addressed that. Or maybe it's a financial commitment, but we have addressed that. Or maybe it's just a commitment issue, okay? Oh, Carl, I'm not really good at signing up for things for years in advance and you haven't got to worry about that, guys. You come along, you work with us, we help you deliver what we promise, which is higher sales, lower stress. You're not happy? You can just leave at any time. There's no contracts. I'm not tying you in. Yeah, you haven't got to stay for a year. Yeah, if you want to come in and stay for 2 weeks, you can see everything. I'm not even going to stop you having a look at everything. I'm here to help you get results. Yeah, I don't want to coach you and just show you where information is. All right, I'm not a signpost. Okay, I want you to get results. So, if you're worried about the commitment, don't be. Come in, stay a month, go. Come in, stay 5 years, go. Whatever you want. All right, I'm not going to stop you. Okay, I would be sad to see you go, because I know that all businesses are better when they've got this kind of support. But in terms of obligation, there isn't any. So don't worry about anything. And the last thing, really, just have a little think about what's coming. The New Year's around the corner. We're all going to have a fabulous Christmas coming up. We'll all have great trading. We'll soon be in January. We'll soon be looking forward to the next 12 months. And these things are always better done with other people. Don't do this alone. Okay? Come and join our club. It's open. It's open for a few more days. You better check that, by the way. But it is open right now. And get signed up. And hopefully then I'll see you in there and we'll get started. Help you pushing those sales up. Pushing that stress down. Okay, guys. Take care. Have a fabulous week. And hopefully see you in the club pretty soon.